Are you doing the grass? You're doing the grass? I can see it now! Grace, it's the higher murderer, professional ice skating champion! If you take lesson with me, I'll have you shining like the candles on a birthday cake! Mary! You already knows dancing with me! Huh? Are you okay? See how a few lessons from me could come in handy. Please don't join the grass. Just put in your name on this form and your friends will come running and my eyes will be saved. None of these people want to sign up, Philip. You can't force them now, can you? Yeah! I never hesitate. Sorry guys!